Hi, in this video I'm gonna talk about something really cool and useful. This is Ostation X from Olight, the world's first 3-in-1 automatic battery charging solution. Yes, you heard it right. It has the combination of battery charging, testing and organizing. Everything packed in one device. Unlike traditional chargers, you don't need to insert or remove the batteries manually. Simply drop them like this and you are good to go. You can load 32 NIMH or nickel metal hydride cells at once, and you don't have to think about battery polarity. Yes, polarity doesn't matter in this device. This is the AA battery version of Ostation X, and there is AAA battery version out there as well. We use a lot of dry cells nowadays like flashlights, portable mouse and keyboards, gaming controllers, key toys, etc. So, if you are using rechargeable cells regularly, then this device can be an ideal choice for you. Now, let's go with quick unboxing. This is the main box. It's very well packed. Inside the box, you will get a 1.5 meter USB Type C to C cable, a user manual, a readme card, and the main device itself. Have you ever seen a battery charger like this? It somehow looks like a fancy showpiece, but the build quality feels very premium on hand. There are two USB-C input-output ports on its back, two air outlets on both sides, a main operating button with an LED indicator ring, and under the button there is an invalid battery bin that can contain up to 7 invalid or rejected cells. The bin has a red indicator when it's full. On the upper side, this is the sliding dust cover where you need to drop your batteries for charging. This top part can store a total of 32 cells. Also, you can easily detach this part by pressing its back. At the bottom, this is the fully charged battery compartment. It can also store 32 cells. So, if you find your cells here, they are healthy, fully charged and ready to go. No hassle of organizing and finding the batteries again. To power this device, you need a 12-volt power supply. Proper power rating is very important. I am using this 30-watt fast charging adapter from Olight. This is a USB-C charging, power delivery or PD compatible adapter. You can get one from the Olight store. Now let's connect the external USB to any of these Type-C ports. Do not load any batteries before connecting. After powering the device, the LED indicator ring will be flashing white. It will be solid white within few seconds, which means the device is in standby mode. You can load the batteries only at this point. I'll use this premium quality nickel metal hydride cells from Olight. These dry cells are labeled as having 2500 mAh capacitance, which is pretty impressive. Here I am dropping 4 cells in the charger. The device can charge up to 4 cells at a time. You can see it here. I'll add more cells in the charging compartment later. After loading the cells in standby mode, you can press the button once or wait 20 seconds until the LED ring turns green. The green indicator means the device is analyzing each cell before it can start charging. If there are any non-rechargeable or invalid batteries, this process sorts them out and drops them into the invalid bin. To check this, I dropped 4 non-rechargeable cells in the charger. After analyzing, it dropped every cell into the invalid bin. This is a really good feature. After the analyzing process, the loading blue circle appears. It means the cells are in charging process. This indicator will be solid blue when these cells are fully charged. Another interesting feature is that if you tilt the device 15 degrees or more, the LED ring will turn solid red and start beeping to alert you. Now I will add more batteries to the upper compartment. Before doing that, the main button must be pressed once to exit the charging mode. This enables the standby mode again and allows you to add more cells midway. Each group of 4 cells will take almost 4 hours per round to be fully charged in standby charging mode. But you can reduce the charging time to 2.5 hours by selecting fast charging mode with the Olight app. I'll talk about this app in a moment. Now I have loaded almost 20 cells in the charging compartment without thinking about battery polarity. It will take a lot of time to charge each cells fully. So I'll leave the charger for now. With its 7-layer protection system, there is no worry about overcharging, overheating or short circuits. Just drop, charge and go. Now let's set up the Olight app and see how it works. You can get the app from Google Play Store or simply scan the QR code from their main box. After installing, open the app. You will see an interface like this. Click on the add button to add any Olight device to this app. For this, the app may require nearby device and Bluetooth permissions. Click Ostation and choose Ostation X AA. Now it says to press the main button 5 times until the blue circle starts blinking. Then click next and it will connect your device to this app. This app shows the charging battery percentage, time and the total number of fully charged and rejected batteries. While connected, you can change the charging mode from standard to fast charging only by this app. Fast charging mode enables the internal cooling fan and reduces a lot of charging time. So, is the Station X worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. It's an innovative product that simplifies battery management, saves time, and ensures you always have fully charged and healthy batteries ready to go. Although this device is limited to dry cells and do not support lithium batteries, it will be great if Olight brings this feature in their future edition of Ostation. Anyway, if you are using rechargeable AA or AAA batteries frequently, then this device can be a great addition to your setup. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you find this review helpful. Let me know your thoughts about Ostation X in the comments below. Also thanks to Olight for sending this awesome device. Check out this Ostation X in the Olight official store. I have added the product link in the video description. See you in the next video.